much, but sometimes I like to get silly and nacho cheese it.
Have you tried the taco Doritos? No.
You should, dude. They taste just like tacos. Yay!
What are you doing right now?
I'm cutting metal. Out right now because it just got out the saw.
Why are you cutting metal?
Because I'm prototyping the shooter. This
It's Ahmed's shooter. Yeah.
shooter design. Is it gonna? That is not the design.
That's close enough to West. That's definitely close
This is
enough.
also a box.
Truth. Box is a box.
4 sides, that means it's a rectangle. So what are you guys working on here?
We're working on the belt hopper design,
By Aiden's group.
and right now we're gonna go look for longer hex shafts because we just realized that the and why.
I think I'm
We'll turn it off.
I think I'm
What are you doing? It's day 2 of robotics. How's the meal?
We just took apart the chassis.
Chassis, I keep it for us.
Me too.
Now we need to cut off pieces of the chassis so that way it's the right size.
Because they decided to switch the rules because they suck.
Not cool or kawaii.
I guess with this one, I'll just approximate. Do you know how thick it is?
Nope. It's roughly half an inch, I'd say. Maybe a bit more.
No, I meant this way.
That's how they'll be. Low key. And that might be about the.